Hello friend, Shalini this side from Acme classes. Hope you all are safe in pandemic. The topic we will be discussing today is basic English conversation. I hope this video would be relevant and beneficial for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Therefore, before moving ahead, I wish to give you the example of fist. If I could consider the fist, then it is formed by uniting all five fingers together, and that becomes a powerful tool. Hence, if you try to follow all these five methods or methodologies or ways of this powerful tool in your regular day to day conversation, you will be able to win this battle of speaking English fluently and without having any hesitation. So, let's get started. First and foremost method is to accept the challenge. The best way to overcome any sort of fear is to accept it. Don't be scared of committing mistakes, as mistakes are the proof that at least you are trying. Now, moving towards the second methodology is to think in English whatever you see in your surroundings and then express your ideas in English. I assure you, it's the best way to improve your fluency with the passage of time. Then we are having a third approach is being surrounded by English speaking environment, be it public gathering or light healthy interaction with your near and dear ones. Be the first person always to start conversation in English and people will accept you in the same way you wish to reflect yourself. Apart from that, we are leading towards fourth way. Start focusing on your domains that inspire you. It means one should develop the habit of reading the particular field of thought, whether it music, life, adventure, food, fashion, nature, and many more. Last but not the least technique is to create your own dictionary. Make yourself familiar with new words which you can use in your day to day activities. And always try to use small sentences to avoid mistakes. Clear away your hesitation. Boost your confidence by saying, yes, I can do it. Be committed, assertive, and dedicated one who believes not only in thinking but also in taking action. Stay inspired. God bless you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.